Are you tired of wasting money on PPC ads that don't convert? Learn how to steal your competitors' best keywords in under 3 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use SEMrush's PPC Analysis tools to uncover your competitors' paid strategies. We'll start by accessing the right tools, then set up a project, and finally analyze the data. Start by heading over to the SEMrush PPC Analysis Tools page. You'll land on the Paid Marketing Tools Overview page, which gives you a look at all the paid advertising features. Click the Sign Up button to create your account. Choose between Paid Social and Paid Search. Click on Paid Search to focus on search ad analysis. Take a moment to review the paid search page and see the available options. Enter your domain in the search field. Then click Add Competitors to include up to 4 competing domains. Click on the first highlight to select a metric. Click on the second highlight. Finally, click Analyze to generate your competitive PPC report. That's it. Happy analyzing! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.